Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 VW CC. This car comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 138 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 55 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 24 and this is a 3-owner vehicle, having covered just over 36,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This particular colour is the metallic deep black and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. Being the CC, you get a nice quality interior. The seats are the sports seats, and as you can see, are leather, and the front seats are also heated. There's an armrest and 2 cup holders in the centre there for the front passengers too. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has climate control, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, and cruise control just down there behind the steering wheel on the left hand side. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. Rear passengers have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre. And it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats from VW still as well. And as we open the tailgates on the CC, you get a really big boot there, goes back a long way, with the split folding rear seats there at the end. Just hopefully you can just about see those. And underneath the boot floor, which is very rare, you've got a full size spare wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with the 18-inch black alloy wheels and also front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend out to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.